Today we are in Santa Monica, California. We're gonna do a cleanup for a rental. Carpet's in pretty bad shape, as they usually are. We never know what the outcome's gonna be, so we're gonna find out today. First, we're gonna pre-treat these traffic areas. As you can see, they're pretty rough. You want to use the chat system. That's chemical or cleaner, heat, agitation, and time. Those four things make your pie. And when you can't use a lot of one, you use more of the other to compensate. So we're using a portable cleaner. So we are limited on two things. We're limited on heat and we are limited on time. So we're gonna make up with that with a neutral cleaner. It's not gonna leave any residue, but loosens soils, kind of lubricates things for us. And we're gonna do a lot of agitation. We're gonna use a scrub brush before we clean to make sure that all the soil is completely loose and ready to come out for us, so that we're not scrubbing and breaking our backs with a machine when we haven't done our due diligence in pre-treating the more problematic areas like this one here, where you can see clear definition of where a bed was sitting. Just like a perfect square. Not everything's gonna clean up perfectly. We did everything that can be done for carpet with that type of soiling. But number one, we had a lot of communication with the client. Before, after, and during the job, we were showing her the progress. We were showing her what we were doing to try to correct the traffic abrasion. And we were communicating to her exactly what causes traffic abrasion, how to avoid it in the future, and making it clear to her that these are things that can sometimes be permanent. So I think communicating with the client for jobs like this was probably at the top of our list as far as the important things we did. She seemed very happy with it. There was a huge difference. It looked much better. I think we're always striving for it to look like new, and that makes us, kind of downgrade how successful jobs are in our own mind. But the client was thrilled with the service. She was very happy with the outcome. So that's number one.